fabric here that's been left over from a recent project, and it's like perfect for a scarf. So I'm going to make a loop scarf, like an infinity scarf. So the fabric I've got in front of me measures 150 centimeters lengthwise, and I think this piece is 36 centimeters. You could have yours wider or longer. It's purely up to yourself, but the main principles both apply. So I'm going to flip this over, right sides to right side, and I'm going to measure in 2 inches in from the edge and put a pin in just there. I'm going to do exactly the same with the other end, my right sides to right side together, and I'm going to put a pin in again. That is 2 inches in, roughly 2 inches, 3 inches from the other end, and I'm going to sew across, sorry, should I say down, the length after I've pinned it all the way down to the other end, and I'm going to back tack, reverse sew at each end to anchor those stitches. I've now brought this back from the sewing machine, hand in one side of the scarf, reach down to the other, and you're going to then pull it through so that you have your fabrics meeting at the end. So you're not going to pull it all the way through. What we're doing is bringing the right sides to right side again together, and we're now going to sew around the short end. I'm just going to pin that in place. I'm now going to sew about 1.5 centimetre seam allowance all the way around. Now that I've sewn the end together, all that now kind of waits is for me to pull the entire scarf through the hole that we left, or shall we say created. So I've now got about a 4-inch gap that I'm going to actually sew up by hand using a slip stitch, so that the seam becomes kind of all hidden and you won't be able to see it once it's all kind of constructed. And there you have a loop scarf, which can either wear singular or doubled up, which took me no more than 10 minutes. So if you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up and a like on my YouTube channel. Subscribe, which as always is for free, and I look forward to bringing some more tutorials in the new year.